Building the future construction technology takes center stage. The construction industry is undergoing a profound transformation. New technologies are emerging. They are changing the way we design, build, and operate buildings. These advancements are not just about efficiency and productivity. They are about creating a more sustainable and resilient built environment. The future of construction is here, and it's powered by innovation. For centuries, the construction industry relied on traditional methods. These methods were often slow, labor-intensive, and prone to errors. Today, we are witnessing a new era. Digital tools and advanced materials are revolutionizing the construction process. This is leading to safer, smarter, and more sustainable buildings. This technological revolution is driven by several factors. Growing urbanization demands faster and more efficient construction methods. There is a shortage of skilled labor. Sustainability concerns are pushing for greener solutions. Governments and industry leaders are recognizing the importance of investing in construction technology. The adoption of these technologies is not without its challenges. There are concerns about job displacement and the need for workforce training. Interoperability issues between different software and systems can hinder progress. However, the potential benefits far outweigh the challenges. Printing buildings. 3D printing revolutionizes construction. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is transforming the construction industry. It involves building structures layer by layer from a digital model using a specialized printer. This technology offers numerous advantages over traditional construction methods. These include speed, precision, and reduced waste. 3D printing can significantly accelerate construction timelines. Structures can be built much faster with 3D printing. This is because it eliminates many time-consuming manual processes. The technology also allows for complex designs and intricate geometries that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with traditional methods. This opens up new possibilities for architectural innovation. One of the most significant benefits of 3D printing is its ability to reduce waste. Traditional construction generates a substantial amount of waste material. 3D printing, on the other hand, only uses the necessary amount of material. This makes it a more sustainable construction method. 3D printing also reduces the need for on-site labor, which improves safety and reduces labor costs. Several companies around the world are already using 3D printing for construction projects. For example, Icon, a construction technology company based in Austin, Texas, is known for its innovative 3D printed homes. They have built communities of 3D printed houses in the United States and Mexico. Artificial intelligence, the new construction supervisor. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the construction industry. It is being used to improve project management, enhance safety, and optimize construction processes. AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data. They identify patterns and predict potential risks. This enables project managers to make more informed decisions. AI can help prevent accidents and improve safety on construction sites. AI algorithms can analyze images and videos from security cameras in real time. They can detect unsafe behavior or hazardous conditions. This information can be used to alert workers and prevent accidents. AI can also be used to monitor the health of structures and predict maintenance needs, ensuring the longevity of buildings. AI-powered robots are also being used on construction sites to automate repetitive or dangerous tasks. These robots can lay bricks, pour concrete, and even weld steel beams. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces the risk of injuries to human workers. Companies like Autodesk are developing AI-powered software for construction management. Their software can analyze project data, identify potential delays, and suggest solutions. This helps keep projects on track and within budget. Green building, constructing a sustainable future. The construction industry is a significant contributor to global carbon emissions. Green building materials and sustainable construction practices are essential to reducing the environmental impact of buildings. Green building materials are designed to be energy efficient, durable, and have a minimal impact on the environment. These materials include recycled and reclaimed materials, bamboo, straw bales, and hempcrete. They often have lower embodied energy than traditional building materials. Embodied energy refers to the total energy consumed during the life cycle of a material, from extraction and manufacturing to transportation and disposal. Using green building materials can significantly reduce the carbon footprint of a building. Green building is not just about the materials used. It's also about designing and constructing buildings to minimize energy consumption, reduce water usage, and improve indoor air quality. This involves incorporating features such as green roofs, solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and energy-efficient windows and insulation. The U.S. Green Building Council, or USGBC, developed the LEED rating system. LEED, which stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, is a globally recognized symbol of sustainability achievement in building design, construction, operation, and performance. Section 5. Leading the charge: companies embracing innovation. Several companies in the United States are at the forefront of adopting and developing these construction technologies. Caterpillar. This construction equipment giant is investing heavily in automation and artificial intelligence. They are developing autonomous construction equipment such as self-driving bulldozers and excavators to improve efficiency and safety on construction sites. Katerra. This technology-driven construction company uses a vertically integrated approach, combining design, manufacturing, and construction under one roof. They utilize robotics, three-dimensional printing, and data analytics to streamline the construction process and reduce waste. Procore. This software company provides cloud-based construction management software to improve collaboration, communication, and project outcomes. Their platform helps manage projects, track progress, and control costs. These are just a few examples of the many companies driving innovation in the U.S. construction industry. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. Section 6. The future of construction, a technological horizon. The future of construction is bright, fueled by ongoing technological advancements. We can expect to see even greater integration of AI, robotics, and digital tools in the construction process. This will lead to safer, more efficient, and more sustainable construction practices. One exciting development is the concept of digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical asset, such as a building or infrastructure project. It uses real-time data from sensors and other sources to create a dynamic model that can be used for various purposes, including design optimization, construction monitoring, and predictive maintenance. The use of prefabrication and modular construction is also expected to increase. These methods involve manufacturing building components off-site and then assembling them on-site. This allows for faster construction times, improved quality control, and reduced waste. Section 7. Challenges and opportunities in the age of construction technology. While the adoption of technology presents immense opportunities for the construction industry, it also comes with its share of challenges. Workforce development. As automation and AI become more prevalent, there is a growing need to upskill and reskill the construction workforce. Workers will need to adapt to new technologies and acquire new skills to remain competitive in the job market. Data security. The increasing use of digital tools and data in construction raises concerns about data security and privacy. Companies need to prioritize cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive project data from cyber threats. Interoperability. The lack of interoperability between different software and systems used in construction can hinder efficiency and collaboration. Industry-wide standards and protocols are needed to ensure seamless data exchange between different stakeholders. Addressing these challenges will be crucial for the successful implementation and adoption of construction technology. Section 8. The impact on the workforce and skills development. The adoption of technology in construction will undoubtedly transform the workforce. While some jobs may be displaced by automation, new opportunities will emerge. The demand for skilled professionals who can operate, maintain, and repair advanced construction equipment and software will increase. Governments, industry associations, and educational institutions need to collaborate to provide workers with the necessary training and education. This includes programs on operating and maintaining advanced construction equipment, using building information modeling, BIM software, and understanding data analytics. The construction industry should focus on attracting a new generation of tech-savvy workers. This can be achieved by highlighting the exciting career paths available in construction technology. These careers range from robotics engineers to data scientists and sustainability experts. Section 9. Conclusion: building a smarter, more sustainable future. The US construction industry is on the cusp of a technological revolution. The adoption of 3D printing, AI, green building materials, and other advanced technologies is transforming the way we design, build, and operate buildings. These technologies offer numerous benefits. These include increased efficiency, improved safety, reduced waste, and a lower environmental impact. While challenges remain in terms of workforce development, data security, and interoperability, the potential benefits of construction technology are too significant to ignore. By embracing innovation and investing in the future, the US construction industry can build a smarter, more sustainable, and more resilient built environment for generations to come.